So this work is a perfect example for this series of works that are anthropomorphic and head-shaped. It was important for me, and it still is in many of my works, to use the outline of a head but not give it any quality of a certain identity. Meaning you cannot say who it is, it can be everybody. It has no eyes, no nose, and no mouth. Things that make us want to identify a certain person. It's much more the idea of a vessel for something that we as viewers project, put into it. And being a head-shaped vessel, it is like a mirror for us. We look at this picture and see ourselves because we project something into it that we are, but maybe we are not aware of it. And this painting, this form, this head that we see here projects something back to us, and it becomes more conscious. We can feel this back and forth, this communication between what we put into this and what comes out of it. And it is about light and dark. It is about bringing things out of the dark, out of the darkness into the light. And of course, this head again can be small and it can be huge, like a cosmic head. So there is also this idea of consciousness. What is consciousness? Where is it? How do we become conscious of ourselves, of the darkness, of the light? How do we work with these two? So the question is, where are you in this painting?